MTV? Yes, this is Beauty by Brie. You want to do cribs at my house? Oh my god. Yes, I'm so excited. I'll start cleaning now. That's like my name right there. Oh, hello, MTV, and welcome to my crib. Okay, so like, I was not expecting you guys to come today at all, but since you're here, let me show you around. First, I've got my baseball cap wall that is nicely placed on this beautiful tapestry that I got from somewhere. I really don't know where I got it, but it doesn't matter. And over here, we have this mirror that I beautifully painted myself. I got this from some trash can or something. You know, that's where I usually shop in the trash. Love it there. Here you can see my cap because I'm smart. So anyone who comes at me and calls me dumb, you're stupid. So over here we have my wig. So no, I don't really typically wear wigs because this is my real hair. As you can see, Beauty by Brie curls and everything, okay? But sometimes when you're wanting to have a little fun or, you know, spy on someone and just be someone else, you can just throw this thing on like this. Get rid of this stuff. Okay, so this is another corner of my room. This is a very small apartment room, so you know, we're working with what we've got. So I try to decorate as much as I can in small proximity. Some people think it's cheesy, but I freaking love it, so it doesn't matter what they think. I've got, you know, my Supremes over here. These are all letters that I've stolen from like gas stations. You need to spell my name, so it was more important that I had the letter. Don't tell anybody, okay? Fish, Jasper. Well, actually, no, Jasper died. Jasper died. I always call this fish Jasper, but that's not his name.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So I painted this, and these are some fuzzy shoes from Charlotte Russe on sale, like $15. So this is the closet area. It's not a big closet, but I've stuffed a ton of stuff in this closet, okay? Because your girl loves fashion. So this is the ring light that is currently canceled because it doesn't freaking work anymore. I mean, how am I supposed to film my videos without a ring light? Anyway, let's get back to the clothes. So we have my clothes color coordinated in the closet. As you can see, it goes from black to pink and all the way down to this end of this wall. There's clothes. I usually just wear the same couple outfits, but it's nice to look at clothes that I'll never ever wear. So over here in this area, we have a lot of my like nerdy kind of stuff showing through because I think it's really important in your room to shine your personality. I mean, you have to show who you are in your room. Your bedroom makes you you. Beauty by Brie, right there, right there. I have a lot of things that represent my personality over here. I've got my rocks that I've painted. I have a Rick and Morty water bottle that was gifted to me by a friend, and I don't even drink out of it because it's so dope and I don't want to ruin it. Love Rick and Morty. We have some Riverdale kind of stuff. Another Rick painting that I got from Comic-Con. Link below to the Comic-Con video. Check it out. And then I've got some of my glasses. I have a lot more glasses, but I keep like 4 pairs in my car. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, so over here we have the Beauty by Brie. You all have seen this in many videos before. This is the backdrop. It's just little sticky chalk things that I put chalk on and wrote my name. And then these are all the zines that I've written for. I think that is like really dope. It looks so cool. Okay. Oh, and then we have the little perfume section. It's not extravagant at all. Like, it's so hard for me to spend money on perfumes though. A lot of these are very old. This one has dust on it. It's from like 2012. I think this was in my locker in middle school, but it still smells good, so I don't care. Who says? I don't think perfume expires. I don't think so. And then over here, this is my desk section. So this is where you would have seen me like not doing homework this semester. This is where I was supposed to do homework, but I never did. And I've got my planner and some journals over here and like some special things to me. You can see I have a lot of artwork in my room. And I have this great quote, "Life is short, buy the dress," which is why I'm usually broke, because I always buy the dress. Next we have this is where the magic happens. It might be harder to see because the light's coming out of the window. Does that help?
I kind of like to tweak it a little bit. There we go.
So this is where the magic happens. This is the makeup table. I actually found this really beautiful fuzzy chair that I kind of match. As you can see, I like fuzzy things. I got this from the trash can.
Again.
I like the trash. We have everything very organized over here. So we have palettes and contour kits right here. We've got little bitty like drugstore stuff like eyeshadows and lipsticks. Down here we have brushes, Kylie lip kits. We've got Visine, contacts, and foundations and my Stila glitters, which I wish I had more of these, but I don't. I have headbands in this little drawer. And then over here is just like, I have this light up mirror. It's very nice, from Ulta. Not sponsored. Over here, I have a little coffee mug, and these drawers are full of extras, like lots of highlighters, mascaras, eyeliners, more highlighters, and little things that I used to get from Ipsy. And then lastly, we have my twin size adult bed. So it's actually not even on a bed frame because falling on a budget. My bed sits on a futon. So last part of my room tour. Thank you so much, MTV, for coming. I just love that you guys are supporting Beauty by Brie. It just means so much to me that MTV reached out and actually wanted to do cribs in my room. Ah! Love you guys. Anyway, so this is the bookshelf. We've got lots of great books on leadership, confidence, women, all kinds of great books. I have Mindy Kaling's book, Why Not Me? One day, my book will be on this shelf, so look out for it, people. My pride and everything. Back when I was crowned Miss Modern Teen Kentucky Bluegrass. I mean, it just fits like a glove still.
I should bathe in this. I should sleep in this. I should walk around in this all the time, just remembering the old memories of when I was Miss freaking Kentucky Bluegrass.
And that's really it. We just have like this wall left. I got some pictures of some friends, some beautiful lights that I've had these lights from IKEA forever. And yeah, that's my Dragon Con tickets. But yeah, that's it. So, oh my god, like I said, this is such an honor. So happy that you guys wanted to see my crib. Bye, MTV. Inches though. She's got it.